Hi, today I would like to share with you how to calculate or find the volume of a prism. First, I will go over the volume formula, then I will do a couple of practice problems. The volume formula for a prism is base area times height. In this rectangular prism, the bases are the top and the bottom faces, the front and the back faces, and the left and the right faces. Remember, to identify which face of the figure is the base, we want to make sure that there is another face that is parallel to it. When we flip the figure, the other face will become the base. Therefore, a prism will have two congruent faces, which are called bases. Problem number 1. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identify which figure is the base and its formula. For this prism, the base is a parallelogram, so the area is base times height. 2. What information is given? For the figure of the base is 7 and the height is 3. For the height of a prism is 4. What do I need to find? The volume. I always start with the volume formula, base area times height. Base area for a parallelogram is base times height. Next, I use substitution. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 4 is 84. The final answer is 84 cubic centimeter. Problem 2. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identify which figure is the base and its area formula. For this problem, the figure is a parallelogram, so the area is base times height. What information is given? For the parallelogram, the base is 6 and 8. The prism height is 2. I need to find the volume. I always start with the volume formula, base area times height. I use substitution. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 2 is 96. The final answer is 96 cubic feet. Problem 3. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identify which figure is the base and its area formula. Second, I write down what's the given information. Third, I write down what I need to find. I always start with the volume formula, base area times height. I use substitution. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 is 512. The final answer is 512 cubic feet. Problem 4. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identified which figure is the base and its area. For this prism, the base is the triangle. Second, I write down the given information. For the base, which is a triangle, the base is 3 and the height is 1.5. The height of a prism is 4. What do I need to find? I need to find the volume. I always start with the volume formula, base area times height. The base area for a triangle is 1/2 base times height, then times the height of the prism. Next, I use substitution. 3 times 1.5 is 4.5. 4 times 4.5 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. The final answer is 9 cubic centimeter. Problem 5. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identified which figure is the base and its area. In this prism, the base is a triangle. Second, I write down the given information. Third, I write down what I need to find. I always start with the volume formula. Next, I use substitution. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. 24 times 9 is 216. The final answer is 216 cubic meter. Problem 6. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identify which figure is the base and its area. In this prism, the base is a triangle. Second, I write down the given information. For this prism, not all the information are given at the same time. However, when we are given a right triangle, we can use a Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. After using the theorem, I get the base equal 12 and the height equal 5. Third, I write down what I need to find. I always start with the volume formula. Next, I use substitution. 5 times 12 equals 60. 60 divided 2 equals 30. 30 times 3 equals 90. The final answer is 90 cubic meter. Problem 7. Find the volume. How do I solve the problem? First, I identify which figure is the base and its area. In this prism, the base is a triangle. Second, I write down the given information. For this problem, the right triangle is a 30, 60, 90, so it's a special right triangle. Therefore, I will use a special right triangle theorem. After using the theorem, I get the base 9 radical 3 and the height 9. Third, I write down what I need to find, the volume. Next, I always write down the volume formula, base area times height. I use substitution. 9 times 9 radical 3 is 81 radical 3. 8 times 81 is 648 radical 3. I take 648 divided by 2. I get 324 radical 3 as my answer. Or I get a decimal answer, 561.18 cubic centimeter. Problem 8. How do I solve the problem? First, I identify which figure is the base and its area formula. In this prism, the base is a triangle. Second, I write down the given information. In this prism, I am given a special right triangle, 30, 60, 90. Therefore, I will use a special right triangle theorem. After using the theorem, I got the base 6 radical 3 and the height equals 6. Third, I need to find the volume. I always write down the volume formula, base area times height. I use substitution. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. 18 times 15 equals 270. The final answer is 270 radical 3 cubic feet. Or a decimal answer, 467.65 cubic feet. Thank you. I hope my video was helpful. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.